question. Um, let's continue with what we had. I just refreshed the website and it is showing even the connected successfully, which is not necessary. We can remove that just by commanding it here, control, and the key, which is next or close to the next uh, key, which is called shift. We save and we will have that removed over there. What I want now is very simple. I'm going to remove the name of this. I'm going to put, for example, let's see. You see this warning? It's going to be eliminate. No, sorry. It's going to be edit, and this is going to be eliminate or delete, and this is going to be archive. We refresh, and we have a problem, and it is that upside it is different. We just have to copy and paste. When it comes from the database, it is going to be different, okay? But I'm going to tell you one secret, and the secret is simple. What we have to do is just to make the database petition here and to attach the how can I say the call of the petition to a function, which will retrieve this function as well. That's an option. Another option is just to make the petition in in another folder. Can be in the here in the where the connection is made. We can make, for example, here root PHP, and on here we just have to make, for example, this is going to be super simple. Okay, let's go. SQL is equal to, and let's make here the string to the petition that is going to be the same that we have over here. We had it here. Okay, let's okay. By the way, the light has not gone, even though um, 50 Cent said so. Well, let's go here. By the way, I'm not also neither a dog. Let's put here. You see this? See right fast over here the database localhost PHP man and bookstore. Okay. Bookstore. Books. Bookstore. Yes, bookstore. And this is going to have a book. We're gonna go to the book database. Um, by the way, the bookstore is a database, but the table is called book. And in here we're gonna have the arguments that we're going to retrieve from the database. So let's put this into a function. Function get database data. And even though we have many enemies, we can retrieve this function with just a positive mindset. Okay, let's go here and put title, author, let's see what else, price, existence, or it can be a stock, an ID. And let's just copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, and ID. And you see that the ID I am trying to put it on there, but It is not necessary. It is generated automatically. This over here is going to come from the arguments. We want to put here title. Let's remove this. Now we put here author. Let's remove this other one. We put here like this, like this, price, stock, and let's remove the ID from here. And that's everything. Now you see this coin over here. We also need that coin. We can get it on the last element, just like as if it was a mathematician formula. I don't know if you have seen my old videos where I explain math formulas and those things. And well, that's something that is kind of if you are on the abscissa of x, remember that you will be um, on a landscape, and this is a line, okay? One line, a straight line, five, which means that the connection could be okay, and we can even place it as private, but those things, as I said, those things are advanced and we don't want to go to advanced things yet. Okay. Um, Here it is: title, author, price, stock, and connection. The connection we're gonna retrieve it from a require once con.php, and that's everything. Now what we have to do is just to call this function to make the data um, when the user hits on a button. Which button? Okay, that's the interesting part. We have to create a form over here, up on here, formulary on PHP. No, on Bootstrap, sorry. And you see this form here? Let's put it like this. Okay. Sorry, I had the legs bad located. I mean, I always sit very weird sometimes. Let's make the form completely. Okay. Let's take it completely and let's control or Alt Shift F. Remember to have a formatter. That will help you a lot. And you see this example input, I will change that to title. And this email, we're going to change it to um, author. And you see that this is described, this this has a area describe it. This is not necessary, being honest. And let's place this clearly here. Here it says email and its title. And let's take out this help of author. Let's remove this from here. Remember not to put Jesus Christ in the test. This small author. You see this small, I will just remove it. It's not necessary, being honest. And by the way, we can just check. Um, that's it. This is the label. This is the input. Now let's go with this. By the way, this is changed. Okay, this is type text, and this should say title, placeholder, enter title. Okay, I'm gonna even erase this one just to copy and paste this one. And in here, I'm gonna put. If you listen my voice kind of weird, it's because of what I told you. Title is going to be instead of title is author, 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 and we have the stock, stock numbers, number, which is type number, and we have the price, which is type price, no type number as well. Sorry, and enter price. And you see, that was everything. Check me out. It says here, but I don't want to check anything by the moment. And you see submit. Let's just go to the form action. And in the action, let's put that we want to make a call to the secret connection CRUD.php method post. And that's everything. Believe it or no, that's everything. Uh, it's also very good to put the point on here just to make sure that we are not going to any other directory. If we leave it like that, we are saying that we want to initialize it. But if we put the point, we are saying that we want to come from the main directory and that other folder that is over there, which is secret in this moment. Remember, the jungle is a fountain of life. Those who love it could live by it. Okay, let's just see the formulary working, okay? And you can see that it is right now kind of working, but I don't like how it looks. So for us to make it fast, just let's give some style here. Style, background, black, and color, white. And let's put padding 2%. And you believe it or no, it doesn't look very, very, very cool, but actually it works. And that's what I mean. So the title, let's see, there is, for example, you know, Holy Scriptures. Or no. Uh, I mean, see which other book I have read. Um, Lately, I read one which was Chi Kung Secrets, but no, I won't put that one. Let me see how to develop a great mind. Uh, Author Ramon Campayo. Stock. 100 sample. Oh, no, 120. Just a sample, okay? And the price, let's put that is 99. The 99 number is a very, very, very neutral number, okay? That's why I put 99. I could put 9, which is better, being honest, but wisdom is known by all its children. So let's put 99. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to receive here the data. If, no, no, let's just receive it to see it, okay? Print R, and here we're going to receive the data which comes as a post. And we're going to make a message. Con close. Let's do it. Submit, and it goes exactly to the place that it should go, but it says that it's undefined. What is undefined? The variable con. Oh yes, it is undefined because it is on. If I am not wrong, it is called con string. Okay, so let's put it like that. Con string. Continue, and it says. Oh, sorry, I forgot to erase something here. Con string, and we have to change it also over here. Con string, and we're missing something. You know what it is? Um, we're missing that if we're calling the function, which we are not, well, it is giving us an error because PHP gives us an error even though you don't use the function itself. Let's see, here it says that it could not be converted to string on the line number 17 on CRUD PHP. Line number 17. Oh, yes, this one. Continue. That's it. Now, as I see, I don't receive here the post values. Let's just go back and submit again. And as you can see, the value posts are not being received. Sometimes it's because we have to put the array sign, but other times it's because we have to put the one condition, which is on my old projects, and I will show it to you. Okay, let's go here. And let's put, for example, in this case, it can be Jonas Chronicles. That is okay. And in here we go code. Login.php, template.php, but it's not that. Let's look for the connection. No, it's not the connection, sorry. Not the connection. Sorry. Sorry that I reacted in that way. What we have to do is to look for the how we receive the post, and it is, as you can see, it is received just in a normal way, in a very normal way. So the reason the question is why it is not being received. Well, let's close it here and let's check it slowly, okay? As we can see, we have the form, we have the action, and we have the method. which is post. Let's put it on uppercase. And we have the button, which is a button type submit. But let's put, instead of button type submit, let's put it just as a submit. Submit, and on here we put this as value. And yes, that's everything. But there is the submit is kind of like this, which is weird because it was not like that, but now it's like that. Now let's go back and submit again. But we're gonna refresh and let's put the value submit, submit. This was not usually like that. That's why I say that usually the version on PHP, if I am not wrong, usually changes. So let's go to the code and refresh, and let's put here title, how to develop a great mind. Author Ramon, where is here? Stock, let's put that it is 99 now. And the price, let's say 89, one, okay? Submit. And it doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? No idea. Let's see, submit, action is here, method post. I don't know why it doesn't work. Submit, and the form is this one, and it is actually on the form. Let's look for forms with PHP connection. Being honest, this should not have had happened, but maybe I'm missing something that is quite weird and is possible. We have to be very patient when we are developers. Okay. Input type submit. Oh, that is the thing. I forgot that type. Oh my god. And it's true. That used to be like that. I don't know why this is even available, but this should be like this. Input type submit. And now in here I put the value submit, and I don't need this. If I am not wrong. Now I can refresh. Someone said that this is something organic, but no. This is something that belongs to Jesus Christ. Give render unto Jesus what belongs to Jesus, and render unto God what belongs to God. Title: How to develop a great mind. Campaign. Stock. Stock. 98. Price one. Submit. And boom. Being honest, now it has like a better taste. You don't see it, but I see it. You know why it doesn't give me the value? Because here I miss the name of the input. So let's just put the name and you will see it. You would say, but you are a tiger right now. No, that's my way of being. I mean, I always go for what could be wrong first, and then I solve what you would not expect. And that's kind of my way of being. I don't know why, but that's how I am. Let's go here, stock, and We're gonna go back and we can even click on submit, I think, if I am not wrong, and it will work because PHP works on the server side, but remember that in my case, I won't put Jesus Christ instead. So I will refresh how to develop a great mod. Author Ramon Campaña. Stock 97, price 1. Submit, and there you go. Okay, I want you to know something. Um, what we're going to do, let's see how long this video has. Well, we have to stop being honest here, but let's save it just to not leave it there, and that's it. Let's save it. How we're gonna save it? Well, we're gonna make an evaluation here of the post. We will say that the title, sorry, that the submit is has a value, does it, sorry, exists. As it exists, then it means that you want to add something to the database. In this project specifically, let's add something. And then we call it that the function, which is this one. And instead of these values that are here, well, we can even put it like that. Title is this. Instead of submit, is title. Semicolon. Copy and paste. Now instead of title is author. Go copy and paste. Author. We go now. Price. Price. Copy and paste. We go down and stock and then connection string. Stock, stock. Copy and paste. And connection string is actually this connection string actually um, should come by default. Okay, so let's just leave it in there, but in this occasion we're gonna erase it, but over here we're gonna put the connection string is equal to connection string. You would say, oh, but that's possible. Yes, it is. It is possible. And after this, that's everything because it will retrieve us new record created successfully. Let's see. Right. So because of that, let's go down, back, sorry, we refresh, and in the title let's put um how to develop a great mind. Author. Um so 96. Price 1. Submit. Expression consta de varios en la línea 4, on the line 4. And it is because of this. I have to, I mean, it is saying that this connection string should not be fast like before, but being honest, it can be like that. But for us to save time, we're just going to ignore um, that it throws that error and let's call it here. We can call it because that connection string function is global. even though it doesn't seem like that, it is kind of global. You would say, but if it is global right now, then it is insecure. And it's true. We will work on the security later because actually this get data database, we should put it on a class and we should put those all these things on attributes and things for us to put it private and more organized. But um, how can I say it? Even though it is public, it doesn't mean that it's actually essentially public. How can I say it? Because it is on a directory that is apart from the index. That's the first thing. And also the second thing is that it is on a function that is in another scope where it is being used. And also it has a condition. And also that condition is only available if you hit on the submit button. You get it. It's not that easy. So it's not like if it is um, super easy to access. Okay, as you can see, it didn't give me any error right now, and that's okay. Let's go to submit, and okay, let's go to the database to see if we add the book. No, it didn't, and that's good. What we're going to do then is just to, let me see, we are out of time, so I'm going to stop the timer. But wow, I'm disappointed to myself. The nice part is that this con string, we can just, wow, how can I say it? Just to use it right here. Con string, yes, it is supposed to work. It is, but it doesn't give me not even the error, no, nothing. But well, and let's just leave it like that. Leave it like that. And in the next video, we're gonna continue resolving the error. And the nice part is that when we get the insert, all the other things, as it is PHP and it is very easy to manage with, are going to be easy to work upon